but you can find it on my YouTube. Abe Arshid says, hello Dennis, I'm late today from Hyderabad, India. Is that two people from Hyderabad? Or I guess, or maybe you're the same person. I don't know if Abhinav and Abhay are the same person. But if you're not, then that means we have two people from Hyderabad, India, which is fantastic. Well, actually, you know what? India makes up like 22% of my analytics, so lots of followers in India. So thank you so much for that. I've also had staff in India for a long time. I've worked for many companies throughout the years that have different centers in India. So over my career, I've definitely have managed a lot of people in India, but never been able to visit. I want to visit one day. Abe says we are not the same person. Okay, cool. All right, so we have two people from Hyderabad, and we usually have multiple people from Morocco also. Okay, so if you're still listening, or just shy and don't want to introduce yourself, that's okay. You can just listen along. But I have something a little bit different in mind. Usually I take questions from people, and that's fun. But I like to mix things up every once in a while.